Hi everybody. Next we are going to see about the program compiler. In that the memory management we are going to discuss, because without memory we can't do anything in the any electronic devices, because memory is very important. In that how we manage in the embedded system, in the sense the performance input mainly and the resource usage we have used. The efficient memory management system is a crucial embedded system which is directly or affect the system performance, because we already seen. So the memory manage and memory usage is very important, and also proper allocation and deallocation of the memory resources can improve the responsivity and other parameter of the speed of the systems mainly we can use. And the resources usage mainly optimizing, having the usage essential embedded system is limited, and effectively memory management technique can help the minimize the memory management and maximum utilization available of the resources is the main memory management system we are using in the embedded systems. And how the debugging and testing will be done in the embedded system, in the sense it is implement and utilize the debugger tool into identifying the fix the error in the code and set the breakpoint setup through the code in the pinpoint the sources of the problem, and also implement the logging mechanisms to capture the implement performing or informing the running time, and mainly write the test and verify the behavior of individual components and models hardware emulation, and the uses of hardware emulation tools and also behavior of the embedded system we are using, and mainly the allocation, the test debugging without the physical hardware, and remember through the debugging testing, and a crucial successful programming on the C are using the embedded system. And mainly the real-time operating systems is used in the C++. The RTOS, that is real-time operating system you're using, the commonly used embedded system to provide the deterministic and predictable behavior. With the help of the operating system only, we can give the full iteration and other problem we can use, and the real-time crucial task we can use. And also the embedded system we are also widely in the worldwide, we are using the programming language as a C++, and the language we are using the object-oriented programming, and the powerful features also we can use for the development of the embedded systems. The performance consideration in the embedded system, mainly the optimization technique to use the efficient algorithm to minimize the computational complexity, optimize the memory usage by reducing the unnecessary data storage, minimize the power consumption by implementing the power management technique, and use the hardware accelerator and other parameters to incentive the task mainly. The power consumption optimization, the efficient code design and hardware selections, we are optimizing the power, because based on the efficient of the code it will execute and start, and design will be very important parameter, and minimize the unnecessary computations and reducing memory usage level. The optimization algorithms are using to the benefit of the unfortunately reduce the significant values, and also choosing the right hardware components for the embedded system, and also contribute the power consumption to optimize the hardware selections. And by selecting the low power microcontroller, we use it for the energy efficient sensors and other power management models, we can use the overall power consumption technique where use the minimization of the power. And secure code mainly we use for the practices and to minimize the risk vulnerabilities in the coding, and also to encryption to algorithm and to protect the sensitive data is a main secure code, and also implement the input validation and prevent the buffer overflows is all the main important parameter used in the source code. And the secure data and mainly used to reduce the relevant mechanisms to protect the data, and implement the secure communication protocols and data, and regularly use it for the patch of the systems, and other vulnerabilities were used in the upcoming parameter. And mainly interfacing the C++ hardware and the best practices in the hardware integration to understand the hardware specification to limit the ensure the complexity of the program, and use of the appropriate libraries and the API and control behaviors were used on the behavior system. And optimization code also we can use it in the efficient. The code organization and optimization technique also we are using, and how to minimize the programming in the C++ and embedded system, and minimize the usage of dynamic memory allocation and the virtual functions, and utilize the inline function and the context and the constant variable to reduce the function call overall head in the access time. So the potential implementation of the industrial applications, we are reducing the impact. And a key takeaway is mainly the C compiler program is the compiler to play the crucial role in the embedded systems, and they can able to develop the right efficient and optimization code technique, and the compiler high level C programming according to machine readable instructions, and they choose the compiler can impact the performance, memory usage, and the power consumption and the embedded system. These are the references. Thank you.